Hello friends, in today's session I am going to give an introduction to graphs, and we're going to talk about the different type of graphs that we have and how do we use them. So friends, now let's look at some of the examples where we use the graphs to represent the data. So now if in a class of 60 students, 20 students brought chocolates, 15 brought chips, 15 brought cake and 10 brought cookies, we want to show it using a pie graph. Let's see how do we show it. So we represent the whole as a circle. So whole means in this case 60 students. So now if we want to show 20 students who brought chocolates, how much would it be? This would be 1/3 of this part. So we draw something like this. This would be 1/3 of 360 degree, which would mean 120 degree angle, and this is indicating 20 students who brought chocolates. Now we have 15 students who brought chips, which would mean 1/4 of the student, that indicates 90 degree. So we show this is 90 degree. These are the students who brought chips, and another 15 brought cake, so that would be again 90 degree. 1/4 of it will be again who brought cake, and 10%, 10 students, which is 1/6, which is 60 degree. These students brought cookies. So 10 students represented by 60 degree are the ones who brought cookies. So this is how we represent this data using a pie graph. Let's take a look at another example where we use the graphs. So in a class of 100 students, 15 got marks between 40 to 50, 20 got between 60 to 70, 35 students got marks between 70 to 80, 20 got between 80 to 90, 10 got marks between 90 to 100, and we want to represent it using some kind of graph. We want to represent it graphically. So because we know that this is representing intervals, the best way to represent this would be a histogram, where on the x-axis we represent marks and we'll take intervals here, and on the y side we take number of students. So this is what we draw. We need to draw a histogram to indicate. Now we know that the interval in the question is an interval of 10 marks between 40 to 50. So we can say we don't start, we draw this to indicate that there is something here, and then we start with a 40, 50. So this is one bar where we are saying 15 students got 40 to 50 marks. So let's draw number of students indicating we'll take a single unit as 5 students. So we draw a, on the y side we draw the number of students in the multiples of 5. So we are not drawing on a graph, but actually if we have a graph sheet, we'll have smaller divisions to indicate what we want to indicate. In between also, if there are number of students, say for example are 12, so we can also indicate that when we have the smaller units on the graph. So now 40 to 50 marks is obtained by 15 students. So we say 40 to 50 and we draw this bar. Then we have 50 to 60, and there are no students who received marks between 50 to 60. And then we have 60 to 70. 60 to 70, we have 20 students who received between 60 to 70. So we draw this. And then we have 70 to 80. We have 35 students who, this is only so that it helps us to see where we have to draw. So this is another rectangular bar to indicate 35 students got between 70 to 80. And then we have 80 to 90 bracket, where we have again 20 students. And then we have 90 to 100 bracket, where 10 students got in this bracket. So this is how we draw this histogram to represent this data. So now looking at it, it is graphically, if we represent the data, it is very easy to indicate and compare. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the session. If you find it useful, please like it and share it with your friends. You can visit us at our Cool Smart Learning website and post your queries there. And please subscribe to the Cool Smart Learning channel for getting updates on the new sessions. Thank you.